Alright, language explorers, so this is a nice Friday idiom. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. To start something now. Get the ball rolling so that way tomorrow I'm ready to act. Get the ball rolling now so the paperwork is finished as soon as possible and then next month we can go straight into it. We need to get the ball rolling with the documents. Yes, find documents now, fill them in, so that way tomorrow everything's finished and done. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling so everything is ready to go now. Yeah, how cool is that? How can I get the ball rolling? I need to find the documents now and fill them in. Yes. What can we do now to get things started? What can I do now to get things started? How can I get the ball rolling now? Yeah. How can they get the ball rolling? It's too early. How can they get the ball rolling? It's too early. It's too early. Yeah, if you get the ball rolling now, it'll be waiting for you and you'll be wasting time. Yeah, we are wasting time. If you get the ball rolling now, it will be waiting for you and you will be wasting time. Yeah. She wants to get the ball rolling with reading the book. Yeah. I had to get the ball rolling by thinking about what videos to record and start planning them. Yeah, get the ball rolling. So that way in the future there's more videos every day. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, get the ball rolling. Now, can you use that idiom in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.